Today I'm going to show you how easy it is, guys, to change out an air filter on a Briggs and Stratton powered lawnmower. This is a Troy-built 110, 550EX, 140cc Briggs and Stratton. They're all about the same. Might be a little tiny bit different, but let me show you how easy it is. We're going to open this right here. No screws, nothing, just these clips. Pop it right open. Now see that? That is an old nasty air filter, and it's missing the pre-filter. It should have a foam piece. Let me show you. And there's our air filter right there. You can get these at Tractor Supply, just about anywhere. Even sometimes Walmart's got them. Amazon, eBay, all that. You can get generic ones just like this. I got a replacement one now. You see, it's got the paper filter, but it's got a foam piece on the outside. And you can put a little bit of oil in there to kind of pre-charge that foam filter. It keeps the dust down from going into the engine. But the part number's in the comments. Now, take a look. All you got to do to change the air filter on this is right here. Grab a hold of it, pop it right off. See that? I like to take a little bit of time to wipe off in there. Sometimes I'll take a air gun and just blow that out. I'm not going to bother with it today for this video, but you could take your air gun and blow it out a little bit. Maybe cover these holes so you're not blowing dust inside the motor. You take the new air filter. We got it right here. Put her in there. Kind of seat it on. Take our cover. The cover has two little prongs on the bottom. They sit down in here like this. Bring her up. Snap her on. And that's how easy it is right there to change your air filter on your lawnmower. Should probably do that about once a year or every so often and keep her running good.